Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm gonna show a airdrop known as KUCOIN, and this airdrop is owned by none other than KUCOIN. You know, KUCOIN is the tier 1 exchange like Binance, and KUCOIN is famous. And in this airdrop you have to just click on the frog like tap, and you can always use tap bot. I am using the auto clicker you can get from Play Store. Okay, so you can see which app of auto clicker I am using, and I'll also show how to use. Okay, just same as Notcoin. If you have done Notcoin, I think January, at the time of January February, the first Telegram airdrop or bot which gave us a good airdrop. Okay, and main thing is you can invite friend from here. You have to connect your wallet. Okay, and you can always check the reward history, referral, other rewards, everything at all. Okay, and also remember to connect your KUCOIN. I will give my referral link of KUCOIN. Okay, you install KUCOIN and you will just log in from here. Okay, you have to log in your KUCOIN always, otherwise they will not give you the airdrop. Okay, remember, it's very important to log in your KUCOIN like this. So if the video is helpful, just do subscribe and share this video.